Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to multiple email addresses using Power Automate. This is incredibly useful when you need to automatically share important messages with your entire team or multiple departments without manually forwarding each time. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your Power Automate account using your Microsoft credentials. This will give you access to all the automation features you need to set up your email forwarding workflow. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look at the left side of your screen and click on Templates. This section contains pre-built automation workflows that you can customize for your specific needs, saving you time from building everything from scratch. In the Templates area, use the search bar to look for forward with and without. This will help you find the specific template designed for email forwarding. From the search results, click on the template labeled Forward Emails with and without attachment from Office 365. This template is perfect because it handles both regular emails and those with attachments, making it versatile for any forwarding scenario. Once you've selected the template, click the Continue button. This will open the workflow editor where you can customize the automation to fit your requirements. Now you'll see the workflow structure laid out with different steps and actions. Click on the trigger at the top, which is labeled when a new email arrives. This trigger is what starts the entire automation whenever a new message hits your inbox. Within this trigger, click on Advanced Parameters to reveal additional options, then select From. This allows you to specify which sender's emails should be forwarded. In the From field that appears, input the email address of the person whose messages you want to automatically forward. This ensures that only emails from this specific sender will trigger the forwarding process, keeping your automation focused and efficient. Next, locate the Importance dropdown and click on it, then select High. This setting ensures that only high-priority emails from that sender get forwarded, filtering out less urgent messages. Now scroll down to find the action named Send an Email and click on it. This is where you'll configure where the forwarded emails will go. In the To field, input all the email addresses where you want to forward the email. You can add multiple email addresses separated by semicolons, allowing you to share important messages with as many recipients as you need simultaneously. Before finalizing your automation, locate the action named Move Email in the workflow. Right-click on this action and select Delete from the menu. Removing this step prevents the original email from being moved or archived, keeping it in your inbox while still forwarding copies to your team. And that's it. Your automation is now ready to save and run, automatically forwarding high-priority emails from your specified sender to multiple recipients. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.